Same kind of thing, they just made it a little bit longer and a whole lot more variables in there. If I'm using my distributive property here, I'm going to multiply this times this and that times that. So 2c squared d to the 4th times negative 5c to the 6d. 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. I add my exponents, so I have 2 plus 6 gives me c to the 8th. And then 4 plus 1 would be d to the 5th. And that would be my answer for my first term. Then I'm going to do the negative 4d to the 3rd times the negative 5c to the 6th. So negative 4 times negative 5, positive 20. Here I don't have any c's, but I do have the c to the 6th here, so I still have the c to the 6th. Then d to the 3rd times a plain d. 3 plus 1 is 4, so d to the 4th. So I got negative 10 c to the 8th d to the 5th plus 20 c to the 6th d to the 4th. And again, those are not like terms because my variables aren't exactly the same, so I can't really add or subtract those. I just have that crazy looking answer. So number 17, if I take the 8a to the 6th b to the 4th times the negative 9a b to the 5th, I would get
Negative 72.
negative 72,
A to the 7th.
a to the 7th,
B to the 9th.
and b to the 9th, exactly. And then if I do the second one, negative 7a to the 3rd times negative 9ab to the 5th, I would get
63.
positive 63. Make sure you get the plus sign in there.
A to the 4th.
A to the 4th,
B to the 5th.
and the b to the 5th is still there. It doesn't disappear. 0 plus 5 is still 5 of them, right? So that's going to be my answer on that one. And so number 18 made it just a little bit longer. First term, negative 5b to the 6c times 6b to the 4th.
Negative 30.
Negative 30,
B to the 10th.
b to the 10th,
C.
c. Negative 30, b to the 10th, c. And on my middle term, negative 5b to the 6th c times positive 3b to the 5th, c to the 3rd.
Negative 15.
Negative
B to the 11th.
15, b to the 11th,
C to the 4th.
c to the 4th, exactly. And then my last term, negative 5b to the 6th c times negative 9c to the 3rd.
Plus 45.
Plus 45,
B to the 6th.
b to the 6th,
C to the 4th.
and c to the 4th. So that big long thing all goes in for my answer. I got all that clicking to get out of my exponent. And if you're up on the exponent and just hit the space bar, you don't have to go down and click. It'll just move your cursor down. It's a little quicker to type it in that way. But all that goes in for my answer. All right. Not so bad, right? You can do those things.